Hello, hello. Dr. Kevin here from the New Renaissance. No matter when you've graduated, you've heard about how chiropractic used to be in the good old days, right? Whether you experienced yourself or you heard about it, it has the effect of making most chiropractors, you can feel a little bit inadequate, right? $500 for x-rays, $150 adjustments, unlimited or next to it care parameters, limited or no paperwork, no progress reports or begging for permission for gatekeepers to care for patients. It seemed like almost it was an answer to your prayers, if you will. No matter how principled or caring DCs happen to be, it's a temptation. And temptation is temptation. And as a result of this temptation, many chiropractors started to put the printing of money, if you will, as their primary job or their focus. And as a result, they stopped doing what was best for their patients and as well as themselves in the long run, as we're going to see. Now, they didn't sell out, okay? They just saw an opportunity to have a better lifestyle, maybe, or provide better for their families, and they went for it. Wellness care, care above and beyond pain relief only, was abandoned. Kids, difficult cases, educating their patients, they're all abandoned to hop on the gravy train of easy money. They looked at each patient as a way of what they could get from that person, okay? And the emphasis was placed on income instead of helping people. Instead of assisting whole families to regain and maintain their health, they were only interested in getting as much up front as they could in as few visits as possible. The trust was lost in chiropractic, and it showed as the declining income of chiropractors. The love of chiropractic and the sacred connection almost, or trust to patients, was lost. Multiple streams of income and slick salesmanship and marketing made its way to the chiropractic arena. That was the next step. Soon these multiple streams of incomes dominated, even dwarfed over the chiropractic part in a doctor's office. The fundamental question that's never asked is, if you love being a chiropractor and you know how to keep your people and grow them sustainably inside of or outside of insurance, would you rely on these multiple streams of income and all that goes with it? See, there's a problem with these multiple streams of incomes. They're almost like a steroid. I'm not being funny here, but they work at the beginning, right? And then they have very diminishing returns once you're into them, and they have a slew of side effects. Some of the side effects of all of these multiple streams of income are insurance dependency. Oh boy. The mountains of paperwork, rejection, writing off thousands and thousands of dollars of work you already performed, relationship strain at home. The fun of practice is gone, and you're going to lose the meaning and purpose of life, and your office becomes just a job. You lose your mojo. The smile's on your face, but it's not in your eyes, right? And I'm here to identify chiropractors who want to earn 3, 5, or 10-fold the income of other DCs doing what we do best. Be a chiropractor without betraying the trust of our patients. Now, there's nothing wrong with weight loss programs. However, you didn't go 9 years to college to be able to help people lose weight. Let's be clear on that. Everything great in your life gets there only one way, by choice. Okay? You can close your eyes and pray that good old times are going to come back and all this stuff, or you can begin to create relationships of trust, communication, and educating each and every patient to earn their trust every time. And if you are looking, even if you have all these streams of income, even if you have them from the past and they're just sitting there, or you're using them, it doesn't matter, to get more pure chiropractic in your office and get back the economics, the sustainability, the fulfillment of being that chiropractor, that go-to chiropractor they trust to have their backs. They drive past dozens of other chiropractors to get to your office. You need to be at one of my live workshops. Check out our website or contact T in our headquarters to find out more information about the location and dates and the times. It will be a defining moment in your life. Thanks for tuning in. This is Dr. Kevin, out.